you this expression here, 10 into 2 in brackets 4 plus 3, and if I ask you just by giving this expression to solve, you can easily solve because you know meaning of these terms or the short form into then brackets and this plus. So in other words, into plus brackets are notation or the short form used in simple mathematics. Obviously, if you don't know this, what into stands for, you will get totally confused when you will see these symbols. Similarly, all throughout the calculus that you will study, functions are also denoted by some short forms, and those short forms we call notation. It is very important for you to understand this, because if you don't, then you will totally get confused as things will move on. So let us see how functions are expressed with the short symbols. Suppose you have quadratic equation y is equal to x square minus 5x plus 3. Let us check whether this is a function or not. So this here x in right side is independent variable, and for every independent variable on right side there has to be only one dependent variable, which is y here. So when you put x equal to 1, you get only one y, which is minus 1. Similarly, put x equal to 0 and you will see that you have only one y, which is plus 3. Similarly, you can put other numbers and you will see for definite x there's only one y, there's a unique y. Therefore you will say that independent variable x on the right side and dependent variable y on the left side is basically a function. Function can be thought of, again I remind you, as a box when independent variable enters this box, then it comes out in the form of unique dependent variable. Note that there is nothing special about this f. You could have used any other alphabet like g of x or h of x. This is just simple way by which we have named. Usually it is expressed f of x, but you will also see g of x, h of x kind of notation. Note that very carefully. When you write f of x, then this bracket here, don't get confused with simple arithmetic bracket. This doesn't mean that f is multiplied by x. This is wrong. This is simple means that y, the output of a given function which was expressed here. It could be in any form on the right side. Simply the box of the function is this. So if you put independent variable x, then the output will be function of x.